Alright. It's been a while. Again. Actually, when I recorded that video, or that last video I uploaded, I recorded that like probably like a month earlier, or maybe 2 months ago. That was like right when I got back from the Arkansas trip. A lot has happened in between that time. One of the main things being is that like right a little bit after that, I had got like super sick and like lost my voice for like 2 weeks, so I couldn't even talk, which is kind of like one of the reasons why there were no videos out for a while, because I couldn't speak. So we'll kind of talk about that a little bit, do a few life updates and see what new things are going on. And also I got a new gun, so we'll talk about that too. Ooh, got a little squirrely. Probably shouldn't have done that, because I don't even think this thing is up to temperature yet. But she'll be fine. She was idling a little bit in the driveway before I started going. Woo! I'll tell you what, it's hot. Like it's hot, but it's not hot. Oh, do I not have mine? No, it's on. Why is it not connected? Anyway, I don't know why this thing is not connecting to waiting for a connection. Okay, you've been trying to connect for like 3 minutes now. Everything's on. I'm not exactly sure what you're trying to connect to. But anyway, yeah, I got a new gun. So I'll probably have it in the video sometime, talking about it and kind of go over it. I don't have it with me right now. It's at the house. I have my Springfield on me right now. I saw Springfield XDS. I have my Springfield XDS on me right now. It also looks like it's probably going to rain, so I don't think this is going to be a very long ride. But I don't know, we'll get back to that in a second. Well, I tried fixing it. I don't know what's wrong with the Apple CarPlay. I think I turned it on in the wrong sequence, and it's trying to connect to my phone instead of my Bluetooth is trying to connect to my bike instead of my device for the Apple CarPlay. I love that view so much. That's a great view. So I think that's what's wrong with that. I might pull over here in a little bit and try to get it sorted out. I think I've gone over in a video already where I've talked about what I use to get the wireless CarPlay to work. You kind of got to go around your elbow to get to your butt. But it works. I mean, I don't really complain about it. It just takes an extra device. But I already had the extra device, so it's not like I had to buy another one. So that's why it's convenient for me. But yeah, my niece and brother-in-law, they're out at Fats Trail, so we'll ride out that way, which it's a mountain bike trail, but like one of the roads that I ride all the time goes right past it, so I'll probably ride over there and stop, see if they're done off the trail now whenever I get close. Actually, I think he just texted me a few minutes ago. I'll look at that and see what he says. Here in a second. Oh man, I thought it was gonna rain, so I was like, I almost didn't go out and ride, but I was like, you know what? It hasn't rained really all day, so I was like, I'll chance it. I'll take it out. It doesn't look too terribly bad. It's just a little overcast. So I was like, I'll chance it. Go out and ride for a little while. I've been riding really aggressive since last night, because I filled up last night and I had like 230 miles down my range, and now it says 175. And I only went like maybe 20 miles yesterday, if that far. I went from my house to my brother-in-law's house. So I don't know how far that is, but it's no more than 20 miles like round trip. So I've just been riding heavy-handed lately. I'm also about due for a new rear. Actually, I'm already at the wear mark, so I need a new rear now. I just haven't got one yet. I don't have any big trips I'm planning on going on anytime soon, so I was like, I'll just keep burning it down until it starts showing wire, and then I'll order a tire. So I don't fully agree with like changing a tire at the manufacturer's wear mark, because I mean, like, you still got a good bit of tire left. I mean, I understand for like most people, probably a good idea for them to change it at that point. Well, I like when this thing starts getting loose and it's easier for me to spin it. I feel like it doesn't have to work as hard to do that, and plus I just like to spin the tire a lot. So I'd rather do it on a older wore out tire that I'm getting ready to change than put a brand new tire on there and start burning it down also. That's just me. See, it's a little damp out here, so I mean, it just has like random damp spots. They said that they were here and it was open, but I don't see their car. Oh, there it is. I see it now. Fast. We ain't been down this way in a while. I'll probably turn around and come back and sit out the lookout. I gotta remember I'm not on the R1. I rode the R1 the other day. In the woods over there somewhere. I had to text him. I had to text him, see if he could hear me or not. Ooh, I ain't rode this thing like that in a while. I had to turn around and do it again. Usually I'll make a pass through there first to make sure like there's no rangers or cops sitting on the side of the road. Well, I wasn't going too fast on that, so I think it'll be alright. Alright, I'll go here and turn around and we'll do it again. Well, the bottom, not the bottom, like the river part, the lower river was closed because I was going to go down there instead of just going to the visitor center, because I feel like I always go to the visitor center. But it's closed, so I don't know what they got going on down there. So I don't know what we're going to do. I guess we're heading back to the house. The wife texted me, asked me what I was doing. She was at work when I left. So I figured out the CarPlay thing too. I don't I think that's what what it was is the bike connected to my, well, no, it's always, no, yeah, the bike connected to my phone instead of connecting to my wireless CarPlay adapter. And then the wireless CarPlay adapter was trying to connect to the bike, so it got flip-flopped. But we got it all sorted now. So yeah, I guess now I'll head home and, oh, excuse me, I'll head back to the house now and show you all the canik. That was the new gun I got. The new gun I got is a canik. It's the canik TTI I hate those damn cyber trucks. There's a white one over there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I got a canik TTI Combat, the Tier1 Tactical Innovation collab with canik. So I'll put probably about 400 rounds through it now. Oh, shoots really good. I like it. But yeah, we'll jump to that right now. Alright, so here's the new gun I told you all about. It's the canik TTI Combat. It's got the flashlight on it. That's a Streamlight TLR-H1 HL. I don't think I was supposed to get the HL for this Tier 1 concealed holster I was supposed to get, the MSP model. I think I was just supposed to get the regular Streamlight, because it seems like it just doesn't quite fit as snug as it could. But other than that, like this Tier 1, they make awesome holsters. This is my first Tier 1 holster, but I like the quality of it. It fits really nice. It's comfortable. Like I can wear it sitting down in the car, on the bike. It just does really good. And it's got this sick gray color, and I got the OD green straps on it. But I don't know what YouTube lets us show now and what they don't let us show. There's no round in the chamber. That's why I have put my finger over it. It's not a big deal. So yeah, I don't know what they let us show now and what they don't let us show. So cleared canik TTI Combat 9mm. They say it's like a competition gun, I guess. I mean, I use it for daily carry. You get a 21 round magazine, an 18 round magazine. It also comes with this canik red dot. Well, at least mine did. Some of them do. I got the full kitted out package where it gives you the entire box and everything. Got different back straps, different plates for mounting different optics. You got your little tool pouch right here. Then you pick the bottom up. Those are my targets. I take the range. Then you got your challenge coin, your loader, and it comes with an outer waistband holster too, which I thought was pretty sick. You got your punches, little tools, extra springs for when you're running that lighter ammo, cleaning utensils and things. I like it a lot. I'll put those targets back in there later. But yeah, the gun itself is pretty sweet. Like, it's really nice. It's a really, really nice pistol. It's a really nice light. I thought the light was going to be a little bit closer to the shade of the actual pistol itself, but it's not quite there, but that's fine. But it looks like it's really gold on camera, but it's like more like a bronzy kind of color. But it's a sweet gun. I like it. Pretty happy with it. But that's all I got for today's video. We just did a little ride around, went up to the lake, and now I'm just sitting here at the house chilling, waiting for the wife to get home and so we can eat dinner. So I will see y'all later. Catch you next time. Peace.